You are leading a team of leaders. Your number one responsibility is their development. And therefore, for some of those leaders, they need an executive coach. They need someone who is going to help them be better. Key to success is the strength of your bench. And an executive coach can really help strengthen that bench. You as a leader have to be comfortable with being uncomfortable, whether it's yourself or your team, because change does cause chaos. Now, how well you control that chaos, there is the key, is to recognize that simply past success has nothing to do with future success, or even sometimes current success. If anyone that I'm working with wants to think differently, one of the first things I'm going to remind them is that they have to be comfortable with being uncomfortable. And the second thing I'm going to remind them is they have to maintain their confidence.